Hey everybody, this is Josiah from Janus Motorcycles, and today we're really excited to show you about our new online configurator. It's a great way as you're building your bike to see what it would look like in the future with all the different color combos and options that we've got. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how to use that today. I'm going to start out on the home page here and then click the Motorcycles tab on the top left. It's best to use this on a desktop or laptop, but you can use your iPad or phone if you'd like. Just make sure you leave it in vertical orientation. Once you get to the motorcycles page, you'll select which model you like. Today I'm going to work with the Halcyon. I'm going to click Build in Order, and then it will bring you here to the configurator. You've got the motorcycle on the left, and then all of the different options over here on the right that you can scroll up and down and choose from. It starts out with your primary color. I'm just going to go with cream today. You can select your pinstripe color, and if you want to get a close-up view, go over here and click Detail View on the left at the bottom. That'll give you the close-up of the tank, and as you're choosing different colors, you can see what it looks like up close. I'm going to go with green today. And you can see that it's really nice to see, like, if you want to do an outline or highlights. So if you want to choose black outline on the Janus logo, I'm going to go with that because I think it looks kind of cool. Then switching back to the primary view, you can toggle between different leather colors. I'm going to go with saddle brown, that's my favorite. You can also see what the deluxe tank looks like. Here's what it looks like up close. Polished exhaust. As you can see, there's just a ton of different options here. So even the polished fins even show up. Just a lot of cool ways to see what it might look like. Let's see, I might add one more thing. I really like the saddlebags, so I'm just going to stick those on there as well. Keep it simple today. Now, next steps are, if you want to save this or get an email sent to you, you're going to click Save an Email Quote, and then email my current selection. It's going to enter your first name, your email address, and then hit send. And then that's going to send you a link to your email, so you can come back to this page here with the exact options saved. Yep, see, I see that I already got an email on my phone. It's popping up. Now, if you know that this is what you'd like right here, no questions. Even if you have some questions, you just want to reserve the bike, you're going to go down here to Place Deposit at the bottom right. And you can see next to it that it's got your order total added up for you. So you can see it changes as I click wide line seat here. Yes, so it keeps the total tallied up in real time. I'm going to hit Place Deposit. This is going to bring you to your cart. You can see I've got one bike in there, and this is just for the $995 initial deposit that's required to get the process started. Right now we're looking at about 4 to 6 weeks for lead time. If you like what you see here, you're going to go to Proceed to Checkout. This is going to bring up your billing details and an order, show you what you've got for your selections here. Now, after you fill all this out and you enter your credit card information and place order, one of our salespeople in customer service will reach out to you to confirm all of your options and your colors. And once you sign off, then we'll get the process started. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.